So, how to make a cutscene ability by using Moon Animator. Trust me guys, it's simple. Let's get right into it. First of all, insert a module script. In this module script, what you're gonna do is go to the description of the video. There will be a script. Just copy and paste it in here and you're actually done for the module script. Now, you can call the module script whatever you want and you're done. Now let's get right into animating it by just insert a character, insert the character to what your game is set on. In my case it's R6. So instancing the character, now clicking on Moon Animator, clicking on the character, new Moon file, and now we can actually start animating. So how making a cutscene actually works is click on camera and click add. Now we added a camera, as you can see. So what we're gonna do now is just start making your animation and follow my steps. So I will just make my animation, make your own one. I will just make him fly to the air or something like this. I don't know anything. So something like this, okay. And now rotating his face to the down. Now what I will be doing is going more like this. Now the camera I'm shaking right now, set it wherever you want your cutscene to start at. For my case it will be like something like this, and actually you can click shift to make your character slower. So once you got your position, just click on C-frame, and as you can see there's a little circle. This just means that we inserted a position on where the cutscene should start at. So now going to the next step, I will go to like 8, and now you can keep animating your character. I don't know, I will just make him go up, look more down. Now I can insert the second position. I just going to say like something like this. Now again clicking on C-frame, and now making my next animation by making him only a little bit now to the top, making him look down, just like this. Just make your animation and follow my steps. So now I will make my camera at some place like this, and now just again click on C-frame and yeah, keep doing these steps. Now I will just make him move down actually to something like this, quite simple. And now I will be making the last animation, just clicking again on C-frame and you are done. So what we're gonna do now is click again on camera and click on reference and go now to your character you're animating right now, and just make this arrow down and click on his humanoid root part, and then click on set selection as reference. Once done this, you can click OK, and now actually you can save your animation by just clicking on file and export rigs. And now we can close Moon Animator, and as you can see we got our animation for sure and our folder. You might asking what this is, but it's quite simple and you won't be doing much there, so it's all good. So what we're gonna do now is insert a script in starter pack or wherever you want your script to be at. For my case just starter pack, and inserting it in here. A quick reminder that this only works on the client side, so if you make a server script the cutscene won't be showing at all, so keep this in mind. Now take your folder and just put it below your script, okay? And what we're gonna do now is, I already did some variables here to have it like faster. So the first one is user input service, quite simple. The second one, the player, also quite simple. Now this one is a little bit hard, but if you used a model script already, then you might understand what this is. If not, then what we basically do is we require our module script by just saying require and then localing it, which is quite simple. And a quick reminder that if you are localing a module script, you will always say require and then local it. This is important, or else it won't work. So now we local also our folder, which is this one here. For my case it's instantly right below the script. So I will just change his name to no, I call it untitled. You can call your folder whatever you want, it's not important. So just for my case script.untitled, And now input began, connect function, if input.kcode equals to enum.kcode.f. So if I click the button F, then what we're gonna do now is Cutsene module. That, as you can see, it's already giving us camera. Now the only thing you will write in is your folder you just localed, this one, okay? And you're basically done for the cutscene animation. Now just something that I quickly want to make is inserting an animation for the animation I made to also play. So going again on the NPC we just animated and clicking right click on this and clicking save to Roblox, and now it will load, save, copy the ID for sure, and now go back to our script, below the script the animation we just created, and now an animation ID, paste in your animation ID, and now we will just local it real quick by saying local animation equals to script.animation. Now local play anim equals to player.character that humanoid, my bad, load animation play anim play. So what I did there is quite simple. I just localed the animation and then I set it up to be ready by saying who is the one who should play the animation. For my case it's my humanoid, and in this I paste the animation I just localed, so which animation should be playing. And now I start the animation, and now if I go into the game and click F, everything should work if we did no mistake. So as you can see, the animation played. Now you might ask me why this is looking so weird. It's just because my animation was really fast. We can actually just going to play anim and say adjust speed, and now comma, and now say 0.5. What this basically does is I just set the speed for our animation to 1.5 to 0.5. okay, 1 is the default animation speed, 2 will be as much as 2 as fast, and 0.5 will be as much as double as slow. So, and now if I click F, as you can see, the animation is quite slower. And that's it for the tutorial. It's quite simple, guys. You can tell me otherwise. So if you learned something new, then you can drop a follow and a like, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.